This project is about a small shopping center where the students would learn about the ins and outs of parking space, grouping of parking spaces, access into street shopping mall, loading dock area, screening against the street, screening against residential area, anchor units, floating units, occupancy load of the volumes that are linked to the number of parking spaces. Students will do quick assessment studies They would look at the site and assess the site in terms of zoning. They study the zoning requirements for the lots in terms of business and highlight the critical information that they discover from the website. They analyze the property. They go online and find what's out there. Typically, the owner, the designer, would have to suggest certain types of use group, and these uses based on the land use group are defined and controlled and limited by Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. So you can't just plug any type of use. And these uses are obviously directly linked to the square footage. So the typology of the space is directly linked to Fairfax County or the jurisdiction and control. And the bays are very clear and suggested based on the design. You would do analysis of study in terms of population. You do quick study of the parking spaces. This is done with use of either AutoCAD or Revit. The type of software is not critical for this one. Essentially, you are drafting using some type of computer software to quickly analyze the outline. Quickly raise the masses to suggest that this is a low-rise commercial, and it should not impact dramatically the outside. And the green screening is suggested over here, particularly against the residential area. You check the existing tenant layout and the typology, and you do the parking number in terms of the number of parkings per space recommended. You then add the total of number of parkings to see if that's sufficient. This is project number 1.